Hello, humans! So, yeah, there is a coronavirus going around, which obviously everyone knows about. All the schools have shut down. Pretty much the entire world has shut down, other than like grocery stores and, well, regular stores and stuff. But I am going to do my part and practice social distancing. So I'm going to be stuck at home for a while with my kids going a little bit crazy. So I'm definitely going to have to do some videos to feel like I'm not totally alone. And maybe you can see the progress of how crazy I start going. But I thought that I would share with you very simple meals that you can make, because I know a lot of people are going to probably have to cook at home more. A lot of people are probably going to avoid restaurants and such. But I want to show you that it's not that hard. You just need very simple ingredients. So for example, today I cut up some yams, and why didn't the camera turn around? Nope, that took a picture. And I'm just gonna saute them with sausage in a pan. So every day I'm just going to film very simple ideas for cooking and such. So maybe that'll give you some ideas if you aren't really a person that cooks much. It really doesn't take that many ingredients to make a really nutritious meal. First, I'm going to heat my stove, and I heated it about medium high. Then I'm going to add some avocado oil. I basically just want enough avocado oil that to cover all the yams. So I peeled a yam and I cut it into bite-sized pieces, and I'm going to heat up my pan with the oil, and then I'm going to throw the yams in, and I want to mix it around so they are well covered with the oil. Then next I am going to put some seasoning salt. Now it is however much seasoning salt you want, so it's going to be different for each person. And I want to mix it so my seasoning salt covers my yams thoroughly and evenly. And then I want to put a lid over my yams. So make sure that you put a lid over your yams. And then next I'm going to cut up my sausage. And this is already fully cooked sausage, so I'm not going to put that in until the yams are almost cooked. Alright, so we have that cooking up. And I'm going to want to make sure that you stir it. And what you're looking for is to saute it until it is soft. So it's not soft yet. So I do this for maybe like 15 to 20 minutes, 10, 15, I don't know, just until it's soft. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes, and what you're looking for, you see this yam is starting to get softer. So now I can actually cut it in half. So it's starting to soften up. It's not quite where I want it to be yet, but it is getting there. You want to make sure to keep it covered, because if you don't, the yams will just burn. But if you keep it covered, it softens it up. It's starting to get soft in the way I like it, so I'm going to turn this down a little. And I'm going to throw some garlic in. You don't have to throw the garlic in. I just love garlic. And now I'm going to cook it with the lid off, just so I can get the yams a little browned, a little toasty, because they taste really good when they have that little bit of crunch in them. So I cook them until they're soft. Then once they start to brown just a little bit, I take the lid off. I turn the heat down just a little bit, and I let them finish cooking, probably just for a couple more minutes. just to get them a little crispy on the outside. And now is a good time to throw my sausage in to get it warmed up. Alright, so I have a super simple, easy, and very nutritious meal. I'm gonna pour some cheese over that. You got your vitamins with the yams, got your protein, got it all. I mean, very simple, but really, really nutritious. That's so good. All right, humans, see you on the other side of this.